Welcome! In front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you 3 ways how you can switch on this TV. It's very simple. The first and the fastest method is to use the remote control and then tap once on our power button, just like that, and after a few moments our TV will be turned on. As you can see, it works. So the second way, right here at the bottom on the middle of the tree you can find the HiSense mark. So when you put your finger under the TV, under the HiSense mark, you can feel the button, the manual button that you can actually press once, and when you make it, our TV will be also turned on. And the last option, just simply plug our HiSense LED TV to the electricity. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.